The Orange Justice dance is one of the most popular Fortnite dances. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Then sway your hips side to side. As you sway, bend your left knee in towards your right knee so your legs are making a C shape. For example, when you sway your hips to the right, your left knee should collapse in towards your right knee. Then reverse in the other direction. Once you've gotten the legs down, add the arm movements. Start with your arms hanging by your side, then lightly cross your arms at the elbow. As you sway, pull your arms out to either side of your body. Twist your arms at the elbow so your palms are facing up, as if you're making an "I don't know" gesture. Finally, let your arms drop at the elbow so your biceps are parallel to the ground and your hands are hanging down. To nail the dance, combine your swaying with the arm movements and have fun.